What's up, Thunder students? It's your superintendent, Dr. Krug. This month in full chef mode. That's right, we're cooking up something spicy. And by spicy, I mean ice cold. And no cap. This message is about something more important than skibbity Ohio Riz Sigma trends. We're diving into mental health. And yes, I'm literally diving into it with the Ice Bucket Challenge. Because taking care of our minds deserves more than just a quick, you good? It deserves bold, goofy, icy action. Let's have a look at our setup. We've got water. We've got ice. And I've got this Sigma chef's hat and this spoony dealy to mix it all up. So inspired by schools nationwide, we're bringing the Ice Bucket Challenge to our school district here in Lamar. This time it's about mental wellness, strength, and supporting each other. This is a powerful way to raise awareness for mental health. But because I'm wearing a chef's hat, we're doing it Thunder style. Let's mix our ingredients. Yep, that's water and ice, making something real nice. So here we go. We're going to stir up some courage, and I'm going to dump this brain freeze smoothie right over my head in support of every student, friend, and teacher who's ever needed a little help, because mental health matters at every age. So let's lock in. But how about a little taste? Yep, we're good. Ice cold. Woo! I hit like a Sigma moment in the cafeteria. Brr. That's colder than forgetting your Chromebook in January. I don't even know what that's supposed to mean either. All right, let's talk about what real world mental health looks like for this month. Recently, NBA champion Kevin Love shared again how he's struggled with anxiety and how talking about it changed his life. He's not ashamed, he's brave. That's a portrait of a graduate move, confident, passionate, and ready to thrive, even off the court. In Lamar, we want every student to be ready to thrive, and that includes your mind and your heart. Confident and passionate, enough to talk about feelings and ask for help. Problem solvers who find ways to cope when life gets tricky and darn tough. Community builders who lift others up when they're feeling down. Lifelong learners, because mental health is something we keep growing through at every age. Let's get into a couple of questions I received this month. Does your job make you happy? It really does, even on hard days. Getting to support you and your schools, your teachers, and you gives me purpose. There are times when it requires me to be serious, but inside I'm doing a little dance every time I see you succeed. That's high level Riz right there. Question number 2. We enjoy being outside on the playground when it's nice out. Is there anything you like to do when you're outside? Absolutely. I enjoy walking and jogging and fishing and camping, and getting fresh air is one of my favorite ways to keep my brain and heart healthy. Okay, let's wrap this up. I truly am kind of freezing, no cap. So hats aren't just fun, they're a mystery. Who knows what's next? A wizard hat, a taco hat? You'll have to keep watching. To all our teachers, incredible staff, thank you. You help students grow into problem solvers, community builders, and champions for each other. And students, don't leave me hanging. Drop those spicy, serious, or skibbity silly questions for next time. Until then, stay kind, stay goofy, and stay thunder strong. We are Lamar.